Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are like me and you are a 5-year-old at heart and you only want vitamins in gummy form, you have got to check out these Nutramin Energy Boost gummies. A major plus point for these is the fact that they are sugar-free. Now, I tend to be a little bit wary of anything that's sugar-free since sometimes they can have a little bit of a weird aftertaste. I was so happy to notice that these gummies do not have that whatsoever. The taste and the flavor, the texture, everything is just top notch. The berry flavor is absolutely delicious. I really look forward to having them. These are packed with so much goodness. I feel like I'm doing really right by my body when I'm eating them, and I'm getting some really good adulting in. I am really pleased to be able to get the energy support from these since I think like most of us, we have so many demands on our time and we really need that extra boost. While I do enjoy coffee and its energizing properties, I think that these gummies are a perfect alternative for me because sometimes when I have too much coffee, it can be a little bit hard on my stomach. These gummies are really easy on my tummy and I have had no adverse reactions to them. I can even bring these with me if I'm looking for a little more pep in my step on the go. If you're looking to potentially boost your alertness and your energy levels and you want a sugar-free plus a delicious way to do that, then definitely check out these Energy Boost gummies. But that's just my point of view.